So once the hurricane hit, it was within 3 days when we mobilized all of our drivers, all of our trucks, all of our shower trailers, our laundry trailers, and we started rolling.
We got thrown into everything from Panama City to Mexico Beach, all the way up through Tallahassee, everything that was hit somehow. And just driving down the road and power lines down, telephone poles snapped in 3 pieces. I mean, cars flipped over, trailers flipped over, houses leveled, missing roofs, missing their shingles. If they're not missing the whole roof, they're at least missing shingles off of it.
And you see people in these homes and half the home is gone, half the roof is gone, and they're still there. I watched 2 little girls, 6, 7, 8 years old, carrying together what looked to be half of their roof. It's heartbreaking to see. While all of us are working in this hurricane, in this disaster zone, these people are living in this disaster zone.
So when we're down here helping the community, we're also helping those construction workers, the power workers, road workers, and help them work better, work faster.
We're out here trying to serve them as best as we possibly can. Make sure they have hot showers, make sure they have clean portable restrooms, make sure they have hand wash sinks. They're trying to survive, and it's pretty humbling to see these people lose everything they have or half of what they have, and smiles on their faces just trying to get through this. It's a pretty emotional time for us to see this and be a part of it.